Lombardi's like, you know, he called, and he called, chilled us out on some shit.
Hello.
What?
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
How hungry are you?
Peace.
You're please hungry?
Peace.
Can you tell me what happened to your daddy?
Hit by a train.
Your dad got hit by that train?
Yep. I want to see it.
You want to see it?
Yep.
Come here, Bubba. There's Thorn.
So,
Oh, don't put your hand on there. There's Bubba.
if I were to run in town and get this stuff over with now,
I want to see
and
it.
get local boys now, would you still eat it for dinner?
Yeah, you're gonna be able to get you back here by 3:30.
I want to see me.
Let's see you. I can't see you. Sing me a song and then I'll let you see you.
Red, red, red ball, blue, blue, blue sky, green, green grass and clouds, yellow sunshine, turquoise,
What do you want?
Purple
Show me what you want.
mountains,
Show me what you want.
majesty,
Show me.